Hello everyone, this is Oshini from Chinta.com. Today I want to talk to you about the ISI and CMI Entrance Companion course at Cheenta. Now you already know that Cheenta has an outstanding live classroom program for ISI and CMI BStat BMath entrances and BSc Mathematics entrances. Last year in 2023, I think 13 students from Cheenta got into either Indian Statistical Institute or Chennai Mathematical Institute. In fact, if you now go to any of these two universities, two of the premier places to learn mathematics, statistics, physics and computer science in India, you will find a ton of Cheenta students and faculty members. However, we realized that apart from the live classroom program, we should also run a self-paced companion program. So this self-paced program is like this, that there are a sequence of videos on each of the topics relevant for the ISI BStat BMath entrance and CMI entrance, and there are topic-wise tests on those topics. So you watch a video, maybe a couple of videos on a particular topic, and then you take a test, a short quiz on that topic. Of course, the quizzes will have answers and solutions to them so that you can learn how to solve those problems as well. And apart from that, the third thing that this particular self-paced course has is a mock test, a set of mock tests for ISI entrances, CMI entrances, and so on. So let me show you how it works. If you go to Cheenta.com and then go to the menu ISI-CMI Self, you will be able to find it. Let's click on that, and here is the particular self-paced course. You can see the introductory video here, and then if you scroll down, you'll be able to see all the offerings. So you can watch the success stories from the past years to stay inspired and understand how other people prepared for this. And then you can also go into the different modules. There are combinatorics, geometry, algebra, number theory, calculus, and of course the mock tests. Let's go into the combinatorics module. You will see there are a bunch of videos and more are getting added every day. And there are certain topic tests based on the videos that you watch. So let's look at one of the topic tests. This is the on bijection principle. We will look on it. But first, let me show you how you can actually enroll yourself into this. We now have a special pricing offering. This will end very soon. You can just click on add to cart and purchase the particular course, and you can just start right away. Once you have logged in, there is this button called student login. You can log in with your Google account and then go to dashboard. If you have purchased the particular course, then it will show up in your dashboard, and then you can just start learning. So this is how the logged in version looks like. So this particular user is logged in, and you can see that there is a dashboard. So if you click on dashboard, you'll be able to see all the available courses and the in progress courses and so on. So under in progress courses, you'll be able to see the ISI-CMI entrance self-paced course, and then you can start taking the particular course. So let's go ahead and look at one of the tests, the topic tests. This is on bijection principle. So if you watch all of these four videos on bijection principle, you should go ahead and take this short test. Let's click on that. And here is the topic test on bijection principle. And there are 5 questions. The timing is 15 minutes. And you can just click on start quiz and start the process. So let's click on start quiz. And immediately you will see all of these questions are coming up. And you can put the answers. So I'll not show you the entire quiz. Maybe you can just see what's going on, and you can also see the time remaining. So there is a clock which will sort of measure the amount of time you're spending on this, and then you can have a score on this particular topic test. After you have the score, you can actually go ahead and check the solutions, official solutions of each of these questions. So that's the basic idea, friends. I hope this will be useful for you for understanding the main concepts of the ISI-CMI entrance program. Of course, if you are taking the live classroom program at Chinta, live online classroom program at Chinta, then you are getting all of these resources and more. You get to do 5 days a week problem solving, you get to do doubt clearing and all those things. So if you are planning for the ISI BStat BMath entrance or Chennai Mathematical Institute's entrance for BSc Mathematics, try this particular self-paced course. I think it will be a great companion for your preparation. Okay? Alright, thank you for joining in today. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep on doing great mathematics and keep on enjoying mathematics. Bye. Take care.